Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number X164XX. Only 14,000 miles on the Silverado. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, graphite metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 6 with a cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. Silverado is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera, locking tailgate, trailering package. A backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate with bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Again, only 14,000 miles with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. Otherwise, up and out of the way for a middle passenger with even more storage below. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 16 miles per gallon in a city average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.